Everyone tells you just to crank up your PPC bids and it's going to fix your sales. And that is totally not the case most of the time, especially if you're not indexing, you're just throwing money out the window, right? So here's an example, search suppress. It's the worst thing. Sometimes you don't even know you're search suppressed. And that's just Amazon being Amazon. So if we're looking at this listing right now, we can see it's a supplement, but the problem is it was generating tons of sales and now it's not showing up anywhere. So what is the issue? Well, what you want to do is the first thing you want to do is go into Amazon, right? Go into incognito and then make sure you're under all departments right here. You're going to put in the ASIN and then you're going to search your own ASIN, right? I want you to do all departments. I want you to do incognito just to double check. That's the main reason. And once you click search, if you're not showing up, that is a huge problem. That means you're not indexing at all, right? Now you can see here's the listing, Vigorix Prime, right? And Vigorix Prime, now this one looks a little bit different. So this was different than the other ones. I can't actually find this supplement anywhere. It's not showing up. It should be showing up, right? Place number 1. There's only one ASIN, right? And there's a few reasons why. I have like 8 reasons. There could be more, but the first one's going to be adult flag. Amazon may believe that your product's an adult flag. And what happens is there's AI that goes on your listing, thinks it's an adult flag, pretty much hides your listings. Nobody can find it in search. Category node. Sometimes it's your actual category. So Amazon accidentally removes see there's a category up here. Sometimes Amazon accidentally removes your category. This is called a category node. Number 3, backend keywords byte overflow. If there's an error on the backend, you might not be able to fix it, or you might not even notice it. You might be over the amount of keywords you can use, and Amazon's pretty much hiding you from there. Policy violation that you didn't even know about. Cross-platform claim. This happens sometimes where somebody lists your product in Mexico, the same product, and puts all these bad keywords in, and it impacts your US listing. Listing rendered failed. This is just Amazon being Amazon. Browse node nullification. Again, this is pretty much the same thing as number 2. And then duplicate ASIN merging. So if you are merging a listing, usually for the first 24 hours, you can't even search the listing. And if it's still not working, that's a huge issue. What it should show like, it should show up just like this. When you type in the ASIN, it should show up. Here it is, right? Right from the get, it should show up. And that's exactly how it shows. Within, if they are running ads, then you might show after the ads, but you will show up on the first page. And the first thing you want to do is, if it's not showing up, is try to just look at the reasons. Most of the time, it's either going to be your category is just not indexing, or you have an adult flag on your listing, right? So an adult flag, this most likely has an adult flag. There might be like a keyword in the back end, or it could be an image. So this is when you're updating your images. What I like to do when we're doing this and we're trying to figure out, okay, what's causing it, especially if it's a male enhancement, we're going to first edit all the images and just focus on one image. So we're probably going to remove all the other images, most likely, and then just focus on one image. So the easiest way is just to go into your Amazon Seller Central and then just go to catalog and then go to upload images and upload those new images, right? And just wait 24 hours and see if that helps at all. Sometimes it automatically removes it. Now that's one option if you are okay with taking extra time. If you're not okay with doing extra time, then you can do multiple things at once. You're not going to be able to pinpoint the exact reason from the get, but you will most likely solve the issue. Now, you can do exactly what I just said, is going to be changing the images, which means pretty much cleaning the listing. It's going to be deleting almost every single image on your listing and only focusing on one pretty generic image that you know isn't going to get an adult flag or isn't going to cause any red flags within Amazon. So once you do that, almost all your images are deleted. Now you're going to do the same exact thing with your keywords. You're going to go through all of your keywords, the back end, the front end, every single side of it. If you have Helium 10, put your ASIN into Helium 10 and see what keywords you're ranking for, just to see if there's anything crazy. Now, when you are doing this, there's also an option to do inventory upload file. So there's a flat file you can upload. If you do it manually, so you can see right here, download blank template, upload file. If you do it manually and you're just editing your listing like a normal person, a normal seller, that's fine. But most of the time, the edits don't go through. The only time the edits fully go through are when you do an inventory file update. You can actually purge the data and then reset it. And this is just Amazon's way of doing it. If you call the catalog team and you do it this way, they're going to be able to help you and pretty much get that indexed and that sales rank back a lot faster. And then all together, you will have success. So it's going to be your images, your category, and then we're going to do your keywords. And if you want to do it very quickly, it's going to be called cleaning your listing or cleansing your listing. You're going to cleanse it of all the bad things, any bad keyword, anything that you think is not good, where Amazon might flag it, right? Such as the word, let's say if you do, maybe you accidentally have the word Playboy, right? That could naughty, kinky, swinger. There's a lot more. So even in the wrong context, bedroom could be. So there's certain keywords. You just want to cleanse it. Just cleanse the hell out of it. Then you contact Amazon, right? That's going to be your final step. After all of this, you're going to go and you're going to contact Amazon after you said, look, my listing's golden. I've been generating sales. All of a sudden, I'm not showing up. You're going to send them a screenshot. Show them that you're not showing up, right? Not showing up. We're not even showing up at all. And if they are incompetent, they're going to make up a reason. They're going to say, oh, that's because of your category. It's normal. No, it's not normal. You want to speak to the catalog team. So get transferred to the catalog team. Tell them, hey, this isn't normal, right? And you need them to escalate it internally because you know there's a problem. You need them to reset your listing to get that category, that catalog node back, right? And then usually if they do reset your listing, don't delete your listing. Tell them to reset it. Once they reset your listing, you should be back up within 24. Sometimes it does take 36 hours, but then you'll be back up and ready to go. And and then you're just full forward. Now, we're EHP Consulting Group. We are a consulting agency. If you do need help with this, anything Amazon, links are right in the description. Feel free to contact us. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, signing out.